There's a lot of reasons why you should keep a little bucket of this Maldon sea salt handy on your kitchen counter because you just want to use it all the time. So basically, it's not like you wouldn't use this, like you would a big box of kosher salt or whatever to, salt water for pasta, or even, while you're cooking. This is really more of a finishing salt. And it would almost be like, to me, it would be a waste to use it like in food where it's going to dissolve. I mean, of course I do, because sometimes I'm lazy and this is always on my counter. But what I love about this is it's got these little, I think you would call them pyramid shaped crystals. It's probably because they evaporate the water from the sea and it forms these crystals. But yeah, here's a nice big one. And if you sprinkle it on something right before you eat it, like say some nice heirloom tomatoes, like a caprese salad or something, or I even like to put it on melons. Some of this and some cracked black pepper on some melon pieces is really good. It just has a nice crunch and a little salty kick to it. Another thing, bread and butter. I usually have unsalted butter in the house, and so if I spread that on some bread, I'll put this on, and it adds another layer of texture and flavor. So, I know it comes in little boxes too, but this is just way easier. Take the top off, grab a handful, and it'll last longer too. So anyway, if you're gonna get some sea salt, especially finishing salt, I would recommend Maldon.